Just a quick little note for you guys. You notice how slow I go when I'm turning around. I'm doing a 3-point turn because when the grass is this wet, you turn in wheels too tight and too hard, you're just gonna tear the hell out of the turf. So when you're going down, watch it. I'll turn and I'll back up and I'll come back really slow. One hand like this and one like this. So I'm turning both wheels at the same time. Never let those wheels stop. As soon as you let them stop, you're gonna tear that turf. So slowly, back and forth, 3-point turn. Know me, I'm not gonna leave this property looking like this. So I'm gonna get you set up over here and we're gonna go diagonal on it. Be right back. right, guys. So as you can tell, I did not get all of the clumps, even on the second pass. But I'm not going to go over it a third time because, like I said, the ground is wet and I don't want to rut the property. So what I will do when I'm done weed eating, when I'm blowing off the back patio and the front sidewalk and the driveway, I will walk around the yard with the backpack blower and blow out these few little clumps that are here and there. Just disperse them out a little bit more. Take pride in your work, guys. Never leave a property looking like this. Even after a second turn, I know it's going to take a few extra minutes, but the customer is going to appreciate it. And you guys are always looking for new customers, right? So word of mouth, make sure the property looks good, and they're going to recommend you to their friends, family, whatnot. All right, guys, so here is the finished product. Like I said, after I was done weed eating, I've blown everything off. I took an extra literally 2 minutes 35 seconds to walk the backyard and blow out the clumps. As you can see, footprints to prove that I did it. Looks so much better, and the customers will appreciate it, guys. So on a side note here, I used to mow the property next door, which I do not mow anymore because I raised my rate this year, $5, okay, just $5 a week. I've mowed that property now for 4 years. This would have made the 5th year, so I raised their price after 4 years, and they wanted to go the cheaper route. And as you can see, clumps of grass in the yard. Look at their front yard, clumps of grass everywhere, grass all over the sidewalk. They burnt the edges to the dirt, as you can see. Look at that yard, dude. Garbage. Then you look at my yard, you look at that yard. That yard used to look just like this because I did continuous stripes through both properties. So anyway, going the cheaper route isn't always the best way, as you can tell, because that yard now looks like crap, and it used to look like this. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. If you can, like, subscribe, share the channel. Be safe out there, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.